if you're having issues aligning your PlayStation 5 stand in the horizontal position, this video will show you how to do that. Also watch to the end and I'll show you a secret thing about the PlayStation 5 stand you might not already know. So first thing you do is you get your PlayStation 5 and your stand. Then you've got to align the stand with these symbols of the PlayStation 5. This is the base. Align the stand over the two squares. Push it down. And as you'll see, PlayStation 5 is perfectly straight. Now, the secret about the stand is that there's a little hidey hole where you can actually put your screw. Now, I'm sure you've seen that, but there's also a spot where you can attach the little button that hides the screw cover. It just goes into the little hole above the screw. As you can see, that's all hidden away there nice and tidily. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully that's helped out.